What's going on, everyone? I am back with another video, and today it's gonna be a little different. Today we're actually gonna be doing a vlog, so it's gonna be pretty chill. I'm gonna meet with a couple buddies at a car wash, 3 cars, so 2 Gen 2s and then 1 Gen 1. We're gonna wash our cars, we're gonna cruise, do whatever, and yeah. So yeah, guys, also one of my buddies, he has a GoPro, so hopefully the files turn out okay and I can actually put in the video. So if I actually do get that and they end up in the video, definitely let me know what you guys think of the GoPro footage. Yeah, guys, as you can see, the car definitely needs a wash. Whew. Damn. She do look good though when she's even dirty, but this will actually be my first car wash in about, like, I'd say 3 weeks. I wouldn't say a month, but it's definitely been at least 3 weeks since I got on a wash, so let's go there. Alright, guys, we just pulled up. Currently one guy's still here. We're still waiting on 2 other guys. He just texted me right now that he's pulling in, but yeah, currently in line. I'm just gonna wash my car while we wait for them to come in. And there's one more right there, red Gen 2. Fuck, I hate waiting. Wait, what the fuck? Caught that live. What the fuck? Okay, buddy. Looks like he's getting some sort of photo shoot. Bro, I swear to God. Shit, my bad, guys. That guy has been throwing out trash from his car for, like, I kid you not, like 2 minutes straight. Bro. Oh my God, brother, that is so bad. There's so much. It was worse, guys. I wish I recorded some of it.
Know me, but I guess I gotta face it. I'm so tired of being faceless.
I don't wanna keep on wasting life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing the mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
Alright, guys, we just got the car clean, and jeez, the whole gang's here. Okay. Right here. Got 3 red Gen 2s. Jeez. 1 Gen 1 right here. Looking pretty clean. Alright, guys, here's one build. So we got a clean Gen 1 build. Pretty sleeper if you ask me. Right now it's fully bolted, stock turbo, kind of the same thing that I have. He's got an Axis port, he's got Freak Tune. I don't know what coilovers he's on. I'm pretty sure they're all fucked up, but that's okay. But here's just a quick walk around. Cob front mount, intake. It's got the fuel pump, of course. Jeez. Guys, this car is fucking fast, bro. I've done a couple pulls with this one. This thing is freaking fast, bro. Alright, guys, this is my buddy Tyler's. A little more simple. Stage 1 right now. So he's got like intake, inlet pipe, fuel pump, obviously, Axis port, shit like that. But as you can see, looking pretty clean. He's actually got this this funny looking horn over here. Sounds pretty funny. Alright, guys. Oh shit! Holy shit! Bro, it sounds like a fucking truck. Jeez, guys, that's a pretty cool car. I think that's an R32 Mark IV. I'm not a big V-dub guy, but that's pretty cool to see. Yo, guys, you want to slam your car? Oh shit! Damn, bro, that's low. Damn.
Oh, bro, mine's like that too.
I fucking hate this.
What you do? Take one of these and just pop it out.
Yeah, to be honest. Even this is fucking hard to take out. Oh shit, it's my girlfriend.
Just put it on the vlogging again.
This one's meant for this?
Yeah. I bought this from JRP.
How'd you tighten it?
No, this one I didn't put in yet.
Oh, this is a new one.
Yeah, this is a new
I think it's too big. Wait.
You're a dumbass, bro. This goes to 2.75 inches, not 2.5.
Wait, where the fuck's my keys?
Alright, we're good.
Alright guys, we just got to the spot. We're under a bridge. We're actually doing some drive-by clips. I got that. Jeez. Alright guys, that about wraps up the little vlog. This video may be all over the place because one, the GoPro died. We were kind of just like scattering all over the place. I hope this video turns out decent. Anyways guys, definitely let me know what you guys thought of this style of video. I'm definitely going to make a lot more, obviously when it gets warmer and shit. Anyways guys, if you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you, bro. If you're not subscribed already, definitely make sure to subscribe. Anyways, stay consistent. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.